Alright, today's such a random video, so we're going to try to get the Mustang started. This engine was rebuilt 20 years ago, I think 2001. That's 21 years now. So we got a rig right here. This is going to be the new fuel tank. We picked up some 93 octane and we ran some lines. Make sure that the distributor was plugged in all right. We got a little bit of starter fluid. See if it'll help us out, and we got a battery, so I'm gonna have my friend put the battery in and then we're gonna try to crank it. Let's get to it. We gotta get fuel into this Minute Maid jar, little ghetto rig I made. Let's see, good thing I still have a VP tank. We got 93 octane, so it helps out on startup. Hopefully this thing turns on. The guy that had it before me was able to turn it on with starter fluid. I'm gonna try to get it going with fuel. Alright, so that thing's kind of full. That looks good to me. Let's go ahead and put my ghetto gas tank back together, because this gas tank on this car is all rusted out. I'm just hoping that the mechanical pump's not shot, because when you run rust through it, you have the chance of damaging it. I do have a mechanical pump coming on the way, but it didn't make it today, so I want to go ahead and try to get it going. Alright, so we're going to put the positive on and the negative. Let's see if this thing cranks over. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Let's see what it does. I don't think it's going to crank. We're going to have to bypass it or something. So we'll see. Okay. Let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. So let's see, anything turns on in the on position. Whoa. Something moved. I don't know if that was a wiper blade or what, but something moved when I hit the on position. Alright, I gotta stop that. What is that? It's the wiper blades. Okay, the wiper blade's finally stopped. I don't see any lights on. The lights in here are not turning on whatsoever. Let's see if it cranks. Whoa, it fired on first crank. Whoa. It fired up on first crank. That's crazy. Okay, let's see if it does it again. It's running. You got to run. It's running. It runs. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I expected to run. It runs. Holy smokes. Runs like a champ. I am so blown away. It fired up like nothing. Whoa! I can't believe that it fired up that easy. It runs so smooth. Oh my gosh. It runs. It was taking fuel. I got it to run. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. This is mind-blowing. It runs. I don't want to run it too much because I don't want it to overheat. Because I don't even think it has fluid in it. It has oil, but it doesn't have any water or anything in it. You ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's try this again. It's starting this time.
Are you sure that's not, it's not on like that one is?
Oh. Is this not open? Hold it like this. Get the exhaust. Back. Get the exhaust in the back. So I'm sitting right now editing and I realized I didn't do an outro, but that pretty much wraps up that video. I just want to do a quick video. Me starting the 289 small block Ford is what's in that car. 4-barrel with the Edelbrock. It's pretty exciting. I was pretty stoked to see that it turned on fairly easy. The motor was rebuilt in 2001, I believe. I haven't done a compression check on it yet, but it sounded pretty healthy. I'm not too worried about it. I pulled out all the plugs. It seemed like the car was running a little bit rich. So we're just gonna go with it and see how the motor reacts. So the next step is I gotta pull the engine out so I can change the steering box, finish the disc brakes, and clean up that engine bay and paint it, sand it down, do the whole deal. And then we're gonna put it in with the new transmission with the T5, which is gonna be 5-speed. So it should be interesting. So stay tuned. If you guys are liking this content, please like and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.